How's it going, people? This is ArdieClicks, or Ardie Lopez. I'm a photographer, a videographer, a content creator, also a journalist for Inquirer Mobility. And today I'm coming at you straight from Ayala Vertis North Mall at Urban Gadgets, my favorite gadget shop. Alright, so this time I'm gonna give you an exclusive unboxing of my very own Mavic Mini Fly More combo. My very own because I bought it. That's alright. And I decided to do my unboxing right here in store right after I just got it. Brand spanking new. I'm excited to get this on the air because I've heard so much about it and I know it's a very capable drone. So without further ado, we're gonna unbox this baby. Okay, so it's right here and it retails for about 26,000. How much? 26,400. Of course, you can get it in store. They have a couple of branches. I make it 3 branches. One in Ayala Vertis North, one in BGC, and one in where? There you go. You heard that. Okay, so of course you can also buy it online at urbangadgets.ph, and that's what I did exactly. But I did not opt for a delivery. I opted for paying it online via bank transfer. You could also use credit cards, but I used bank transfer and I opted to pick it up myself so I can do this video. So thank you, Urban Gadgets, for allowing me to do my unboxing right here. And right now, by the way, I'm using a case wide angle lens mounted on my Huawei P30 Pro. And if you also want to avail of their case accessories, all the lenses or the casings are available right here. But later about that, I said I was going to unbox this baby. Mavic Mini Fly More combo. Okay, here we go. It's quite compact even with the bulky box. I know it's a lot smaller than this one, and it's covered with plastic. So what we're gonna do is take off the plastic to unbox it, right? Okay, this is my over-the-top unboxing tool. I use it to unbox things like pianos and cars. I'm gonna unbox it with my favorite karambit. This is a Fox karambit 599 if I'm not mistaken, so I can like really smoothly unbox this baby, cutting it carefully so I can open it up like that. Huh? Neat? Forget it. I'm just gonna open it up. Okay, here we go. Oh, it's illegal, by the way, to carry this, so be careful. Alright, I'm freaking out the customers. Okay, plastic's gone. Now let's see what's in the box. You watched the movie 7 by Brad Pitt, you know? The iconic line, "What's in the box?" So, okay, what's in the box is this. Let's smell it. New gadget smell. Dang it. Yeah, industrial smell, but you know, I like it anyway. More boxes, but we're gonna get into that later on in a second. Take it easy. Here we go. Okay, I got everything here. The main box goes to the side, and of course, we get the DJI Mavic Mini protective case. It's semi-hard. It's a zipper case with a handle. It's smaller than an A4 bond paper. Looks like it's approximately 10 by 11 inches, if I'm not mistaken. Matte gray. Zipper is smooth. And voila. Yeah, I see the drone and some plastic. Alright. Okay. This is the DJI Mavic Mini. Okay. I'll be honest with you. My first drone was a P3 Advanced, the Phantom 3 Advanced by DJI. Well, I was pretty happy with it because it could shoot at 1080p or 2.7K. It was not capable of 4K. And I was able to test thoroughly the Mavic 2 Pro, which shot all the way up to 4K and had Hasselblad optics, and that's fantastic for even stills. So this is like the drone of my dreams, but I can't afford it right now. Probably my next purchase. All right, but this one actually has a lot of advantages to it. It's a Mavic Mini because it definitely is mini size. The biggest selling factor of this drone is that it goes underneath the limitation of weight that would require you to use a CAAP license to fly it. If you have a drone and it goes beyond a certain amount of weight. I think it's like, what is the weight limit? Anything? Yeah, right now it's just 250 grams, but I know it's just a few grams under the limit. So maybe 260 grams. You're gonna have to acquire a CAAP license to be able to fly it without being hassled. And well, of course, aside from the fact you have to be able to learn to fly it competently. So that takes care of this one. It's a toy-sized drone, but it definitely is not a toy. It's good enough for professional work because it shoots up to, I think, 60 frames per second at 2.7K resolution. So that is plenty of resolution. And I've seen the samples. The video samples are crisp, well saturated, contrast pops out of the video, straight out of the memory card. It's pretty usable, and with the use of third-party filters on the camera itself, the 3-axis gimbal, it definitely just opens up a lot of possibilities, makes it really good for professional work. Okay, of course not for maybe commercials or whatever, but it depends on what you're trying to shoot, what kind of the standards you have for your material. But 2.7K goes quite far, and its usability in terms of the quality of the optics and of course the performance is fantastic. Flight time is up to 30 minutes as compared to the other earlier drones that go up to 25 effectively. So 30 minutes, that's a lot of time. If you fly, say, about 20 minutes and use 10 minutes for safety, so it could return back safely to you, then that's a lot of time, a lot of flight time. Now, if you get yourself a Fly More combo, it comes with 3 batteries. That's got to be what's in here. All right, it's a white box. That's probably 3 batteries in here, and this is your multiple charger, so that you can charge more than 1 battery at one time. And this is it. Oh yeah, and of course it comes with a dedicated remote controller. Now, of course, this points to you having to attach it to any kind of mobile phone, smartphone. It has to be a smartphone, of course, either the iOS platform or Android platform. In my case, I have both because I use one as a work phone. I'm using a Huawei P30 Pro. I think that's going to be my main work drone, my work phone for this drone, because it has a bigger screen. I have an iPhone 10, but that's shooting this right now with my Insta360 One X. There, I said it correctly, didn't I? All right, so you get a top view, you get actually an all-around view of this fantastic store. I've been buying stuff from this store. I got some Manfrotto mini tripods before. I think a Momax multi-lens casing for my iPhone 10, and I think I got some stuff from, is that Oki? Yeah, multiple plug, multiple USB charging plug for my gadgets, just because I have so much. So right now, there you go. I'm not gonna try to really open everything up, but at least you can see the main contents of the Fly More combo of the DJI Mavic Mini. What's next is you're gonna see a lot of footage from my test drive. Coming up next is a test drive in Vietnam, courtesy of Ford Philippines. I'm gonna drive the Ford Raptor along with some media friends, and it's perfect because they allowed me to bring a drone. I had to ask if there was clearance, and especially because it's a Mavic Mini, it does not require any kind of CAAP flying license or any kind of license, I guess, in other countries, as long as you fly it judiciously and intelligently, and with common sense, that you don't fly near an airport or a lot of people, etc. Just use your common sense. But it makes a lot of sense getting the DJI Mavic Mini, and even more sense to buy it in this Fly More combo iteration, because 1 battery is not enough. When you get to fly and you test it and you get carried away and you want to fly some more, don't fly until you run out of batteries or it crashes, right? Or it drowns, your drone drowns. Just bring it back and make sure you have spare batteries, because you're going to want to fly a lot more than just 1 battery's worth. All right, so thank you, Urban Gadgets, for this fantastic adventure. It's just about to start actually with my DJI Mavic Mini. If you want to take a good look at it, I'm going to take off the stickers later on, but off the bat you can see that the propellers are mounted already on the, oh yeah, let me unfold it. There you go. It is palm sized until you open up the propellers. All All right, there you go. Now it becomes like a real mini Mavic. Yeah, fantastic form factor, very light at 240 something grams. My goodness, a fourth of a kilo. My sandwich weighs more than this. So yeah, so thank you to Case Philippines for helping me out with my third-party lenses. I'm using my wide-angle lens on my Huawei P30 Pro and a dedicated Case smartphone casing for my phones, even for my iPhone 10. And there you go. If you're watching this, you can see the quality of the optics of the Case lens. Pretty sharp, pretty contrasty, pretty detailed. Great for high-resolution work. I use it on 4K resolution, no problem at all. So there you have it, my official unboxing right here at Urban Gadgets in Ayala Vertis North. Check out Urban Gadgets for more gadgetry. They got the most exciting brands, the most brands that you can use on a professional basis. They got Pelican cases. I use Pelican. Manfrotto is like my go-to stuff for camera support and rigs, and Case lenses for smartphone filmography. And my gosh, you know, this is like Christmas time every single day. So this has been ArdieClicks. I'm going to catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.